This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking your niche and identifying 3 seed topics that searchers want. Once done, switch to a Pinterest business account, claim your website, and enable rich pins so metadata flows through. Make 5 SEO-ready pins now, different images and copy for the same post, and schedule them with Tailwind or Pinterest Scheduler. Do keyword-driven titles and descriptions. This gets initial impressions. Make sure each pin links to a specific landing page that captures email right away. Once pins drive clicks, focus on the funnel. You design 2 to 3 on-brand pin templates so you can iterate rapidly and run a/B tests. Then craft a landing page that loads fast, has one clear CTA, and offers a single lead magnet to convert cold visitors into emails. Make sure to add UTM tags and set conversion goals in Google Analytics so you can see which pins create value. Keep refining pin copy, image contrast, and CTA placement to raise conversion rates. You complete the system by monetizing consistent traffic, add display ads, relevant affiliate offers, sponsored content, or sell a low-ticket course or membership. Once revenue appears, scale with targeted Pinterest ads to the best-performing pins and outsource pin creation and scheduling to free your time. Continuously measure ROI and increase bids on winning audiences. If growth stalls, run a troubleshooting audit. Check keywords, refresh creatives, and a/B test new pins to regain momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.